Hi everyone, my name is Janice Sapigao and I am an assistant professor of English at Skyline College, and I'm going to be your English 105 instructor for the fall 2020 semester. I have been working at Skyline College for almost 8 years now. I love working at Skyline. I think it's an amazing place for learning. It is very community-centered and people-focused, and I think that there are some of the best students and colleagues there. I started teaching, particularly in English, because I am a reader and a writer. I write mostly poetry, and I'm also the Santa Clara County Poet Laureate for 2020 to 2021. One of my projects as a Poet Laureate is to start a Youth Poet Laureate program because I believe that students and youth have something to say to us and this world. Being a Poet Laureate means that I am the county's resource for all things poetry. I wanted to start by welcoming you into this class with a quote by one of my favorite Filipino-American writers, whose name is Carlos Bulosan. And he said once that there were centuries when writing was a crime punishable by death. There were times when intelligence was a serious crime. Remember how we became privileged to think and to speak and write. I teach because I want to help students understand how to include their own voices and thoughts into their writing. I am not here to make you sound a particular way other than how you think and how you would speak in a regular conversation. I want you to think critically for yourself about this world and any communities that you're involved in. There are 3 skills that we'll be working on in this English 105 class. The first one is critical analysis, and that is reflecting on any large ideas and breaking them down into things that we could connect to other ideas in this class. It means that we will be taking a closer look at a lot of the information that is presented in this class. The second skill that we'll be working on is called information literacy, and that is when we evaluate our sources and any readings to figure out whether they are credible, whether they're valuable and useful to us in terms of using facts and evidence for support in our writing. The third thing that we're going to be working on is essay writing. And I want to work with you on making sure that your essays are sound, are indicative and reflective of what you think. Essays are going to be the place where you can hold a lot of your writings and thoughts and emotions. And so we will be working on these skills, but also reading works by writers of color, writers who have undergone some kind of adversity or struggle, and we're going to be reading the works of writers who are also actively engaged in communities with which they identify. And so I am super looking forward to working with you in this course and working on developing these skills. I wanted to also go over with you quickly how our class Canvas page is going to work. So if you log on to our class Canvas page, you'll see that there is a large yellow banner and sort of like a bright pink font that says English 105 Composition with Professor Janice Pigao, and then you'll see this decorative image of books aligned at the very bottom. To navigate the page, you'll have to be very familiar with the left side margin where there's a menu. This is the home page. You'll see any announcements that I post. If you are curious about your grades, you can click here and it will show you the most updated version of your grades. If you are looking to find another classmate in the course, you can click on People. Please familiarize yourself with this menu on the left side and also the content in the middle. You'll find the course information here on the main page, and then you'll also find the student learning outcomes, which are the skills that we are working on in this class. Anytime you see yellow highlighted text, that comes directly from me, and that's meant to be conversational, and it's something that you should look out for. At the very bottom of our homepage, you'll see that there are 3 modules. It's very important for you to know what week of the semester that we are in, and so we'll begin with week 1 module, which is getting started and course information. In this course, the modules will indicate readings and assignments that are due that week. So please make sure you always look at the week 1 overview. That is sort of like your to-do list for the week. The second link in the module is called How to Write a Personal Narrative, and if you click on this, the information will then start to populate the page. Again, you'll see another large yellow banner with bright pink font that goes over 3 approaches to personal narratives. The rest of the page describes what a personal narrative is. You will need to read this as a part of your homework assignment for this week. Once you are done reading this page, you'll go on to the next link, which connects you to an assignment. And after you've read about what a personal narrative is, you will be asked to write one. So this is going to be your first essay for the class. You'll also need to complete a syllabus quiz and a discussion forum where you introduce yourself to your classmates for this week. So that's where we will begin our course. If you have any questions, please message me, please let me know, and I will try my best to get back to you within 1 to 2 days. Anyway, I'm excited to meet you. I'm excited to work with you. Let me know if you need any help, and take care.